how to renovate staircase at the fraction of the cost. So today we'll talk about the components available for staircase renovation in oak. The first part we'll talk about is the stringers cladding. So we've got two options. We can clad outside of the staircase and we can clad internal part of the staircase. So we've got a sample staircase there. I've got Martin with me who will be doing some work for us today. So there's two options of cladding the stringers. So there's two options. First option is you can have threads, solid oak threads cladded on top, which will butt up to your stringers. And the other option is the carpet. So the first option we'll show you is how to clad stringers for the carpet. Okay, so components for stringers cladding are oak veneered MDF. It's a 6mm thick board. It's both sided. One side of the oak is B and one side is A class. What does it mean? One is a nice character board with no knots, no imperfections, where the B side on this side can have different variations in color or little knots and different patterns. The other component for stringers cladding is the capping, which I will explain in a minute. So what Martin is doing, what we've got a piece of the string cladding here, which is 6mm oak veneered MDF. He put that to the side of the staircase, and using one of the tools, which is multi-tool, he will be cutting out a little piece there. Bear in mind, don't go through the thread, it's just a little bit right to the stringer. Don't go any further. So you need to cut next to the stringer and then next to that board, which I'll show you now. Okay, the next stage is just to notch it out. So remove that little piece. Probably best doing it with a chisel and hammer, as Martin's doing it. Okay, let me zoom in. So we've got that notched out. Make sure by doing that your staircase structure is not affected. So it's still sound, it doesn't affect the structure of the staircase, the stability. Make sure it's all still rigid. So that's how we do it.